Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the NQ Daily. We are still within the smaller, more recent swing here that is from the 29th of April high to the 13th of May low. The target off of that swing is 14,376, but what I want to show you is that we have still not met swings off of these targets off of these earlier swings. We still have the target off of that high to low swing, which is 14,129, and we have the target off of this high to low swing from the 16th of February to the 5th of March, which is 14,347. Of course, those all come together up here, 14,347 to 83, which is a cluster. But right now, I want us to concentrate on what is going on this more recent swing and now the 120-minute chart. Okay. What I am seeing on the 120-minute chart is that we have not quite met the target off of this more recent swing. Okay. Today we got very close to it. 13,570, but we have not violated it yet, which means it has not been met. That's 13,580. Now, what am I thinking into this weekend? Well, right now, I kind of feel like we're going to pull back over the weekend. We'll have to see what happens on Sunday. The pullback zones I am looking at on the 120-minute chart are going to be from these previous swings. I'm looking at everything coming down to this last low over here from the 13th of May. Okay, so I'm going to have to look at all these little swings, all of the swings within a swing. We do see some support there. And then I want to look at some retracements also. So if you are going to trade over the weekend and you do want to know what we have on the NQ, this is what I have for you. I have support at 13,379, 13,343, 13,304, 13,189 to 92. 13,109 and 1386 to 92. And as you know, that's what we do every day live in our trading room here at Simpler Trading, the Fibonacci room. We would love to have you in here if you're already not in there. So here's what we're looking at the daily. Just a quick recap. We are still looking at that target off of that smaller swing, 14,376. We are still looking at the target off of this swing inside of swing, 14,129. And then that larger swing target from the February 16th. The 16th of February to the 5th of March, 14,347. And what we're looking at on the 120-minute chart is that we still haven't met this more recent target of 13,582, and we have pullbacks, symmetrical pullbacks at all of these different levels. Something I want to also point out while I do have you here is that we are, again, below the 50. The 5 and the 13 are still on a sell, okay? The red is not crossed, the blue is not crossed back over the red. And we are only above the 200. So the 200 daily moving average is the only one you have on your side, okay? The NQ is not looking great right now, y'all. So you just need to pay attention to that, please. Let's look at the ES daily real quick. The 5 and the 13 still have not crossed back over. You have the 50 and the 200 on your side. But you just need to be a cautious bull here, y'all. If you're going to be a bull, you need to be cautious. Let's see. And the 120-minute chart has crossed back over to the upside. The 8 and the 34 are on your side of the bulls. So we're just going to have to see what happens this next week because we have a lot of mixed parameters. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence. This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me